welcome back to my channel. To those who are new, welcome. It's me, Tasha. Since a lot of you guys have been asking me to do a hijab tutorial, so in this video I'll be doing one for you guys. But before we start, don't forget to click the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up, okay? So there are 6 of my everyday hijab style. That means that I will be sharing 6 hijab tutorials with you guys that require minimal pin. In case you guys are wondering, I'm wearing a scarf from Nilofa and it is super soft. You guys should check it out. And without further ado, let's just get into the video. that's it for today's video, you guys. I hope you guys will enjoy this video, and I really hope that this video will help you in some ways. Feel free to share this video to your friends, to your mothers, or to your sisters, and don't forget to subscribe and like this video. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.